it's Cindy Mark. You guys are just in time to see our live tutorial tonight. I'm gonna be doing a full tutorial on how to apply our HyGEL system. This is one of our new kits, so anybody who's beginning with our HyBa Gel system, this is a perfect kit for you because it only has two different colors. It's got the clear and the pink. It's got our top and our base, which is our base is very, very good because it's got the vitamin B complex, and it also is a primer and the bonder, and it also comes with our HyBa Gel brush and a jar for you to apply with the alcohol solution. So tonight I'm going to do a very simple how to do HyBa Gel system with our HyBa Beauty products, and also on top of the nail design is going to be our cat eye collection. This is one of our beautiful starlight cat eye collection. It's got 12 different colors inside, so each box comes with 12 colors, one magnet, and I'm going to show you guys how to use that. On top of that, I will be doing designs with our solid line art gel product as well. Tonight we're going to only be using our white and our silver, which comes conveniently in a small kit like this. The nail foundation, we're going to be using our HyBa Gel color. This is our Sweet Candy collection number 9. It's so beautiful. If you guys can see, it's sort of like a jelly gel color. We're going to be using our SC05 to give it a little bit of a natural tone. Anytime you do our HyBa Gel, you don't want to put any moisture to the nail. So I wanted to show you guys pretty much live what you would expect on how to apply our HyBa Gel system and how to prep the cuticles correctly. So before I even use my sanding band bit, I'm going to push back the cuticles. Very, very important that we do take our time to prep it correctly. So use it to push up the cuticle, to kind of like a pre-prepping before I use my e-file sanding band bit. So I'm going to be using my sanding band bit tonight. So this goes up to number 10, but I'm just going to open it, turn it on to about number 7 so you can still hear me talking. So the reason why we have a dust collector is because we don't want a lot of the airborne dust to go into our nose or mouth, or even, you know, to our client. It's really hard for me to wear a mask while I'm doing nails, so I love to have a dust collector while I'm working. So when you guys apply a plastic tip, make sure you also remove the shine off the plastic, because base gel or any kind of gel enhancement will not stick on any surface that is shiny, especially if there's any moisture. That's why we keep the nail bed very, very dry. So I'm going to do this process pretty quickly. Okay, next step is we're going to be using our solution. We have base gel and top gel that is in our HyBa Gel system, but also you can use our VDB base and our high shine top for any kind of gel process. So if you have structured gel, builder gel, anything like that that you're using a base gel, you can also use our VDB base. It is fortified with vitamin B. So this is one of the first steps that you always want to make sure to apply nice and thin. Do not let it flood the cuticle. Apply it evenly and let that self-level, because this is going to be the layer that we need for the natural nails to be protected. Our vitamin B complex will help protect and help grow the natural nails to be healthier. It won't dehydrate as well, so it keeps the healthiness of the nail bed. And also, this is the barrier between the natural nails and the HyGEL. You don't want to put our HyBa Gel directly onto the natural nail surface. You do need to have a protective layer like our VDB base gel to be the first layer on the nails. Okay, so then we're going to cure this for 5 seconds. Nice thing about our base gel is it is very quick. You only need 5 seconds to cure. So nhớ là cái base gel của tụi em nó rất là lẹ, nó cần 5 giây để cure thôi, mình không có cần cure quá lâu. Phải mình cure hơn 2 phút thì không sao, nhưng mà mình phải reapply. Tại vì cái base gel nó chuyên môn á, là nó muốn để cho nó giữ cái độ sticky. So phải nó bị cold quá, nó bị bóng quá đó, thì nó không có stay on too well. Hello chị Boo, thank you so much for watching. Yeah, so bây giờ Cindy sẽ xài tiếp theo cái màu pink magenta. This is from our Sweet Candy collection. Em sẽ để một nhỏ xíu thôi ở trên giữa. Tại vì em muốn làm cái nail design kind of look like nó có cái I guess like a rosy cheek. So we're going to give it sort of like a blush center. That's why I'm only applying a little bit in the middle. I'm going to prepare my alcohol solution. So remember, alcohol bên cạnh là 70%. Any kind is fine, just as long as it's 70%. And we need our HyBa gel brush and one lint-free towel. Okay, so mình cần một cái giấy nhỏ thôi. Mọi người để ý là Cindy làm cái HyBa gel này nó không có làm quá cộm với quá dơ cái bàn của mình. Tại vì cái sản phẩm này nó considered very clean. This is sort of a very clean product, so it doesn't make a lot of mess. And I love that because first of all, there's no odor. We don't have that really strong chemical smell. Secondly, that it is a very clean system because it's eco-friendly. We formulated it to be, you know, very natural feeling. So fortified with vitamin B as well to help protect the natural nails. And this will also help me build a little bit of the apex in the middle before I use the second color. Second color is going to be our pink cotton jelly color. This is also from our sweet candy. This is from our unicorn collection. So we have two different collections going on tonight. So side to side. If you feel the brush is a little sticky, just apply a little bit more alcohol. Very simple technique. You have extra, you can cut it off at the tip. You can either use it on the next nail or you can get rid of it. It's up to you. Okay, so very good product that we don't have to waste. I left the thumb alone because if I have any extra, I can always put it onto the thumb and then I can use it. Make sure you cure in the LED for at least 60 seconds. That is the full cure for our HyGEL. The base gel only needs 5 seconds. If you guys want to remove our HyBa gel system, it's fairly simple as well. All you have to do is foul as much as you can and then soak in acetone for about 10 minutes. It'll soften up and then you can remove it by just either filing it off or scraping it off the nails. We do have a video on how to remove the HyBa gel system as well. This is one of my favorite look. It's just this nice pink blush color. We're going to continue to use one of our cat eye colors from our Sparlight collection. This one here you can find on our website. We have 4 different type of cat eye, and I'm going to be using our number 3. You need your magnet, and you also need like a mini flashlight because the way that cat eye works is as soon as you get the effect that you want, you should flash cure it. That way you set it into place. Apply a thin layer, but thicker than normal. Usually gels, I always recommend you to polish very, very thin for the first layer, but because we're only applying 1 coat, you can go a little bit thicker. Just make sure we cure this in the LED for a minimum 30 seconds. Okay, take your magnet and just magnetize it on one side. This will give you the shininess on top of the nails. And then I'll go on this area, so I want it in the front. So it's going to give you like that holographic cat eye effect. Beautiful, right? Okay, so go ahead. We're going to cure this into the light for 60 seconds. So what do you guys think about this design so far? I hope you guys like this. This is definitely something to try for your next nail set. If you don't have any cat eye, I recommend you get it because it's a very hot trend right now. And all you have to do is go on our website at HyBaBeauty.com. You will see all the products that I'm using and let us know what you think. All right, guys, have a great night. Thank you so much, everybody, for watching. We'll see you next time.